Hi guys, this is Nirutika. Hope all of you are doing really well. Sorry for the late post, but today we are going to do this makeup look, Foxy eye makeup. So let's get started. Take your tapes and take out their stickiness so they won't be harsh with your eyes, and then stick them straight toward your eyebrows. And now concealing with Elegant Pro Girl. Conceal all your upper lid and give it a time for at least 10 seconds to achieve maximum coverage. And I will be using one more concealer because I want more coverage, and blending it with the blender. Now take any gel liner you have available with you. Start drawing a line middle from your eyelid and approaching towards the end in a slant shape, and fill the leftover gap with good amount of liner. Now I will be smudging it with a small smudging brush. Take a shade, lighter shade, to smudge the edges and the line so that there will be no harsh line. Now taking a bit bigger fluffy brush and taking another transition shade in light brown and smudging with that also. Keep smudging until you will get a good smudged eyeliner. Now again with the liner I am creating a intense line and again smudging it, but only the end. Now taking Daily Forever 52 palette, using the blue color and dabbing it onto the black part, intense black part of the shader. Make sure you dab enough product so the color will pop out. Smudging the edges only and moving forward now. We'll do the same process onto the other eye and let's see the result now. Remove your tapes and clear your face with the wipe, all the excess product you have on your face. Now I will be moisturizing my face. Use any moisturizer you have available with you, and moisturizing my lips as well. Now priming my face, basically filling all my pores and making my skin smooth for the further application of foundation. And now correcting my dark circles with a color corrector. Apply enough amount and then we will blend it with the blender. Now it's time for a foundation. I'm using Makeup Studio ones, and you can use whatever foundation you have with yourself. Applying it with the brush all over my face and neck and then blending it with the blender. Make sure you blend well so there will be no spots and harsh lines. Blending my neck and ears so that they all match well. Otherwise, if you don't apply it on your neck or on ears, it will look bad and give a bad look. Now using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer under your eyes, on your nose, chin and forehead, basically to highlight all the high points, and blending it with the blender really well. Now moving on to a very important step, setting your face. I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my face so the makeup will be long lasting. It won't move or shift anywhere. Moving on to brows, using Anastasia dipbrow pomade. Filling my brows and sculpting them with the concealer from downwards and upwards both this side and creating small streaks so that it will look natural. Perform this step on the other eye as well. Now I will create a line with the gel liner towards my nose, and again by taking it to the inner corner and joining it. So you can see a small triangle, and repeating the same step on the other eye. Take your time, try to make it perfect. I know it will take a lot of practice, but yes, you can definitely practice for this look. And now filling my waterline with the same brush and with the gel liner also. And now I will be smudging my waterline again with the green shade from Forever 52 palette and adding a little bit black to make it more intense. And now with the Kat Von D shade in light palette, I'm adding dimensions to my face using the light shades under my eyes to highlight them on my forehead, nose and chin, and now adding contour shade under my cheek lines. It will make you look slimmer. Definitely you can try this. Shading my jawline and my forehead also. Now using MAC blush on your cheeks, nose and chin for the natural look. Now using NYX matte finish spray. Spray it all over and let it set. And now I'm using Anastasia Glow Kit to highlight my face and Wet n Wild brush. Adding highlighter on my cheeks, nose, on the cupid bow, forehead. And highlighting my brow bone also. And then afterwards my inner corners. Moving on to the lips, I'm using Anastasia lip palette and I'm going for a natural pink color to make this look more beautiful and girly. So here I finished my look. Tell me in the comments if you really like it. I'm going to try it, and do tag me on my Instagram and Facebook. I'll drop the link in my description box. I will be really happy if you learn something new. Do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will really be motivational. So bye guys, and I'll meet you in the next video. Ta-ta!